Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you add shake effect in Camtasia. So at first just import the video that you want to make a shake effect. Now click on the video and click on add to timeline. Now you can just select the video to track 1 or track 2. You can make the time longer by clicking this icon and move it right side. Make it more right side like this. Now move the playhead here like this. And in the middle left side here you can see animations. Click on it and click on animations. Now here you can see the first one is custom. Click on it, just right click on it and click on add to selected media. Now just left click on it and move the mouse like this. Now you need to just make it shorter like this by left click and mouse. Now just click on this icon and make the video like shake. Like I'm zooming here and shake a little bit. Now just click on it, right click on it and copy and move the playhead and paste. Now you need to just move it a little bit here. Again do the same, copy, move playhead, paste. Now this time do it like this. Now you can just copy all of this and put it here. So I'm doing it right now. And after that you can just check the video. Here you can see there is a quick shake effect here. You can make these frames longer and the shake will be longer. I have made this shake 1 second. You can make this shake more than 1 second, just like 3 or 4 seconds by adding multiple frames. I'm gonna add it right now. Now just check the video again. Here you can see the shake has been longer more than 1.5 second. You can make the shake leftward or rightward, upward or downward as you want. So guys, that's how you can add shake effect on Camtasia. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Techavro. Thank you very much for watching.